everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I am going to film a really quick what I ate today. Probably not going to have a lot of footage later on, but I'm definitely going to show you what I had for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Now, I know I always say this, but I always overpack my bag just in case. You guys know, just in case. I'd rather have lots and lots of snacks with me. I actually have snacks in my drawer, just extra, I guess I'm just a preparer. Let me know in the comments if you do that too. If you either A, overpack your bag, or B, keep extra snacks in your drawer to keep you just away from that candy machine. Alright, so nothing really exciting going on today. It's just going to be a typical go to work. I've got some house cleaning to do, got some laundry to do, so I mean it's just my typical day. So I don't think I want to bore you with any of that, so I'm just going to kind of keep up with what I've ate today, show you my points at the end of the day, and see how you like this format. So with that said, let me turn you around and show you what's in my bag. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to talk about is my bag. My lunch bag is just a regular insulated bag, one pocket, made by Igloo. I think I picked this one up at Menards. I mean, I know I pick up everything at Menards. You guys probably laugh when I say that. But when the husbands shop at a Menards, you go and find something fun for yourself. That's actually where my favorite coffee cup came from too. Menards. All right, so I have a 1 point coffee. And again, I'm on the purple plan, so I'll try to remember both or all three plans as I'm going through this. 1 point coffee, that'll be all plans. I have, well, let me just tell you what I have on my plan, then I'll go back and talk points. I have a berry overnight oats here. That's 0 smart points on the purple. I have my Built Bar for a snack just because I love them. I mean, it just feels like I'm having a candy bar treat in the afternoon. 3 smart points for that. Snacks for the day, I have a banana, I have an apple, and I have grapes. Probably not going to eat all those, but again, back up. And I'm really trying hard to eat a banana a day. I buy them and I don't eat them, so I'm going to try like heck to make sure that I eat one every day this week. A boiled egg, I'm going to have that with my mid-morning snack, probably with my banana or my grapes. And then for lunch today, I'm going to bring you over and just show you, try not to jiggle you too much. All right. So if you watched my meal prep that I did this week, and I'll link that below just in case you missed it, I have some grilled chicken that I grilled on my indoor grill. I have some roasted veggies, and then I have some of that veggie rice. That is some brown rice made with carrots, onions, and celery. So good. I mean, this one is so good. So for me, this is 0 smart points on the purple plan. Now, if you're on the blue plan, chicken's going to be 0. The rice will be 3 points on both the blue and the green. If you're on the green, I have about 4 points worth of chicken here. So 0 on purple, 3 on blue, and 7 on green. Ooh, look, I did it. Okay, so you got those, right? Apple, 0 on all plans. Banana, 0 on all plans. The egg, 0 on purple, 0 on blue. I think it's 2 on green. Grapes, 0 on all plans. My overnight oats would be 0 on purple, 3 on both blue and green. Built Bar, 3 smart points. 3 smart points, all 3 plans. Coffee, 3 smart points, all 3 plans. No, 3, 1. 1 smart point. Oh my goodness. 1 smart point. All right, that's enough of that. You guys, I'm pretty sure you got a pretty good idea of what's going on here. I'll take pictures or kind of give you a quick little video clip as I'm eating my stuff today so you can see what I ate. But again, I'll put my tracker at the end. So not sure what we're having for dinner. I have a couple different options, so stay tuned for that as well. All right, so off to work I go. Okay, so I had kind of a late breakfast, late lunch today, so I'm going to have a coffee protein shake. I just did 1 tablespoon of PB2, 1 scoop of Quest. I have a half a cup of vanilla, unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and some iced coffee in here. So I just went ahead and mixed all that up. I'm going to enjoy that. And then in a couple hours I'll eat breakfast. It's currently just after, it's almost 4:30. So just figured I would just have something to tide me over, and then when I decide what I'm going to have for dinner, I'll have that. So stay tuned. Okay, now it's dinner time. I'm super excited. I actually was going to cook something different, but my husband had a very late lunch and he decided he was going to call that dinner. So I just pulled out some leftovers out of the fridge, and I have green beans, I have kielbasa, it's about 4 ounces of kielbasa, and then I have some roasted potatoes. There's probably more potatoes there than I'm going to eat, but I'm just going to go ahead and leave them on my plate and see how it goes. I'm going to probably add some ketchup for another point, probably put a little mustard on the side so I can dip my kielbasa. And this will put me at, I think, 12 points for today. Now on the purple plan, the kielbasa, well actually on all 3 plans, the kielbasa is going to be 8 smart points. If you were having potatoes, I think that a medium potato is like 5 or 6 points on both the blue and the green. So for me, the whole plate will be 8 points because the green beans are free on all 3 plans. And if you were on blue or green, I did say purple, I'm having a rough day today. Purple, 8 points for my plate. Green and blue, I would put this plate with half the potatoes at probably 13 or 14 points is where I would set this one at. So I'm going to go ahead and have dinner. I do have 4 points left, so if I decide to have a snack, I will give you a snapshot of that. Otherwise, I think I might just wrap this up. Okay, so what I'm showing you here is a 30-day ab challenge that I've been working on, and today was day 30 of 30, which I did not actually think I was going to do. But look, here's my proof. I did it. All right, I'd like to say I feel amazing, but whew, 30-day ab challenge, no matter what level you do, is a killer. So happy to show you. I'll put some screenshots in here, but finished it. 30 days. Today was tough, but I did it. So if you're doing any type of those challenges, thumbs up to you. Keep up the good work. Okay, so what you're seeing here is 125 sit-ups, 200 crunches, 65 leg raises, and a 120-second plank. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off from here. I told you guys this would be nice and short and sweet today. So with that said, give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video. Leave me some comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. And have a great evening.